Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This video is a bit random today, so if you like all over the place, then this one is for you. We are starting off with organizing and, well, not really organizing, but just putting some items in this new China hutch that I got. I found this on Facebook Marketplace for $125, which I thought was a really great deal. The top has the 3 shelves, and then the bottom has 2 cabinets and then drawers in the middle. I didn't put anything in those drawers this day. I just tried to put items up that I just knew I wanted to go in here. I've had these items basically in storage for a really long time, and I knew I wanted them in a cabinet. I just had to get the cabinet first. I do plan on either painting or restaining this piece. I just want to wait until we get a new dining table before I decide on how I want to redo this. We will need a new dining table because our family is growing. It's not growing, but we are just going to need some more space once Rowan is out of the high chair. So I just want to get that decision out of the way before I make any decisions about this piece.
Train just left this town while I'm slowly heading back to my apartment. I'm not asking for your thoughts, I'm just thinking out loud in the darkness. Ooh, there's no point, 'cause we both know. Ooh, from here there's nowhere to.
Now we are moving on to our first project, which is a board and batten wall. I really wanted a kind of a drop zone space to hang the boys' backpacks and coats and leave their shoes. And I thought that this was the perfect little nook to do that. So right now Mickey is just nailing all of the boards into place. And for the bottom piece, I just bought one of those 3 cubed organizers from Walmart. And we didn't attach that to the wall or anything because there would have been a gap no matter what we did. And I didn't want that, so I just said, let's just leave it by itself, and if we ever change our mind on, what we want to go here, then we're able to just remove it easily, and I can also clean very easily back there. So we just did the 3 boards on the wall and then the top piece, and then we added a top trim piece to make it look more built in and custom. Right here, I'm just going in and filling all of the nail holes, and then I go in and caulk everything just to make it really seamless and again look very custom and built in. And then after all of that is dry, we start painting. I say we, but Mickey is the one who painted. He offered, so don't come for me. He offered to paint. And the paint that we chose was Tricorn Black by Sherwin-Williams. I really wish that the finish was more of a eggshell. I think we ended up getting satin because that was all that they had in stock for the paint that they gave me. I don't know. They told me, or I told them what we were using it for, and that's what they recommended. So who knows if I ended up with what I should have, but it is what it is. So, but yeah, here he is just painting everything. And after that, we add some hooks that I bought off of Amazon. And I also bought some black bins from Amazon to go into the 3 sections of the organizer. And that was it. I would say that this project could take you, for the paint to dry and everything, probably a day and a half. So it was really easy. It took us longer just because we have 3 kids and other things going on, but it was a really simple project and it wasn't that expensive either.
Someone said your heart is golden. All I got was my heart broken. I can see the dawn is coming just for you, for you, for you.
And the very last thing that we're doing in today's video is making some pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. These are so simple. It's literally 3 ingredients. It's just a box of spice cake mix, 1 can of pumpkin, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. And you just mix all of that together and put it in the oven for, I think, like 10 minutes. I will leave the recipe down below in the description box, but they are super, super yummy and just a really nice treat. You can have them for breakfast, have them for a snack, what have you. I prefer to put some cream cheese frosting on top. Makes it more of a cupcake, but it makes it so much better, and they are just so yummy and, like I said, so easy to make, so quick.
Times will come again when the wind is blowing in my.
That is it for today's video, you guys. I hope that this gave you some motivation to tackle some things that have been on your to-do list, because I know that these things were some of mine that I just needed to get done. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out. I hope you have a great day wherever you are and enjoy the fall while it's here.
Still I can't ignore the pain. It's the only